I'm crazy. I'm not. But this video is to let the world know that I'm done with the marriage. I don't have a lot to prove that I'm done with him, but I'm done. I'm done. I'm living with my life, finally. I can't say a lot now, but you hear my story.
There is this particular video that has been trending on social media, Nefelembowa. The video of Chacha Eke, the woman who said her marriage has been hell, that she's leaving this marriage. I saw the video going viral and everybody is talking their own mindset towards this video. But I want to say something. I want to tell her to shut up her mouth. Why are you coming now to tell us about your marriage, that you're leaving the marriage? All these years you've been into this marriage. You've been enjoying. You've been eating the good side of the marriage. Then why can't you take the bad side? Do you think marriage is friendship? Do you think marriage is boyfriend and girlfriend relationship? It's in a marriage. And I saw some people saying, no, you did the right thing. I cannot die in marriage. The day you said, yes, I do, the pastor, the prophet, or whosoever that joined both of you, didn't he ask you both question that says, will you accept him in riches, in good health, in sickness, for better, for worse? And when that question came through, you said, yes, I do. You flaunt your wedding, you flaunted everything on social media, you enjoy your gannivant. Now it's time for the hardship. We're coming to disturb our peace, and people are saying, right down, leave the marriage. How many times have you seen Mercy Johnson coming to rant about her marriage? How many times have you seen Choma Akpote Chukwuka coming to rant about her marriage? And other, do you think they don't face challenges? Let me tell you something. No matured woman, just like what our sister is doing right now, gallivanting with this small boy, her husband, Nwa Yoruba. Our sister, Anita Joseph. See the way they are doing, disturbing the whole social media. Tomorrow now, what I can Yoruba see, Yoruba people that don't know how to marry a woman, that he has dumped her. I watched the last video of where they went to. That small boy, Obelengwa. Nakuyaka Nike. Nakuyaka Notele. As if no one break. In the name of marriage, in the name of love. In public, and people are jubilating, celebrating what I don't know. Tomorrow, if that boy should leave her, she will come to social media and talk bluff and say the husband and the man, disgracing the Igbos, disgracing our culture in the name of marriage, in the name of celebrity, in the name of what I don't know. Chacha. If your marriage is testing bitter, go and finish it up. We were not there when you accepted to marry that young man. Both of you agreed for years. You married him. None of us signed it. We were not there. You've been enjoying all this while. Face your marriage and let people stop talking rubbish. You know, I don't care what you say, but I'm telling you the fact. No marriage is sweet like honey. Every marriage has bitterness. It has bad side. If yours is bringing bad side, handle it, because nobody pushed you into it. Before you enter into marriage, I used to tell people, look very well, assess it well. Don't just enter because he's wealthy, he's rich, he's handsome, he's this, she's this, she has assets, she got that, she get boobs, she get bobby. One day, marriage mwaka. Therefore, don't come to social media, Nefelembo, and disturb. Why? We have a lot of problems facing. We have a lot of things facing us. On the SARS, you don't know now what you call Maka. If you dress well, SARS will kill you. If you use good phone, SARS will kill you. They're talking about so many problems on our neck. The SARS naturalize everybody. If you ever not call a marriage you have enjoyed for years, my dear, your marriage is a no matter what, you are not leaving your husband's house. All women of those days. Today, nobody won't need a celebrity. But that young man has not spoken. And the whole world is saying, leave him, do this. Nna enu adi jide diga ka o. Abakwa ibe na Facebook abi na disturb why. Ena azakwa chacha eke na azakwa ya mama. Chalakwa ya je ebe digi je cha ya.